Bodo, business and fourth year. To this video, I will share about the three set of 10 commandments of safety driving as driver. Number 1, I will not drive when brown, nor see nor pati. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when taillight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. The second set self-traveler. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash off the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not ticket any changes. Number 5, thou shalt not buckle up decades. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on day bright. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. And the last set, self-clearance. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if undeveloped, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule lining up the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untrangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver first come first serves vehicle. Number 9, and pedestrian. Number 10, reminder, the international driving safety reminders. And that's all. Thank you.